I can speak on that, but there's nothing much to speak on that because first of all, the deaf can't hear. So there are special schools for the deaf. In Maharashtra alone, there are 42 schools, special schools for the deaf, which have started by visionaries and people with noble ideas many years ago. And they are all supported by the state government as far as the salaries of the teachers or special educators is concerned. Apart from that, there is no money that is left over or given or given for bringing in equipment and other things like furnishings and even the places where they study. They are all BMC buildings, so they all are in not a very good state. The benches are broken and that kind of stuff. So where we come in is we help these special schools get their other things like blackboard, whiteboards, chalk, then speech software for audio therapy, then benches and chairs in schools, that kind of stuff. We get corporates to sponsor and we give it to them. And also I feel that and what is happening is most of these schools have got their mother tongue, that is the medium in which they're taught. So they don't learn English because English is not their mother tongue. So it's either Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi. So they're all in these three mediums. So English is an option in the 8th standard. So that option is versus candle making, file keeping, bookkeeping, and etc. So what happens is most of these kids, they take the easier option and they clear their 10th standard. When they get their certification of SSC pass, then when they come to us for jobs, we find that they have no knowledge of English, and English today is actually unfortunately the link language global all over the world. If you don't know English, then you can't compete with hearing people in a corporate world. That's why there are so few graduates who are deaf. So they end up getting very low salaries and the jobs that they get are also not very highly qualified jobs. No, it's really nice of the government to do all this, but what is happening is in their doing this universalization of education, a lot of the deaf get left behind because integration into society is what we are also trying for the deaf. But if you integrate a deaf person along in a regular school, then either the regular hearing students, they would be able to kind of move forward at a faster pace. Whereas the deaf person will not because of his hearing handicap. So you can't be blind to that. No? You have to be aware of that. So either the pace has to be very low or slow, or you coach them separately and then you integrate them so that they are on par. That has to happen.